So my name is Bill Douglas. I purchased this 1989 Dodge Dakota Convertible 4-wheel drive. Never really seen one before, but it came across as being very odd as a convertible. At first I thought maybe that's what somebody had done and made it. So I thought, well, it's kind of cool. So as I did my research on this truck, I realized they actually made a 1989 Dodge Dakota convertible. So the more research I did on it, the more I began to like the truck. And this truck came available about June of 2023. At which time the guy was asking $12,000 for it, and I just thought, no, that's too much money. I'm not going to pay that for it. So then a few months go by, the truck popped up again for $10,000. I'm like, wow, okay. No one was buying it for whatever reason. So as I looked, another month went by, I saw the truck reduced down to $9,000. At which time I thought, this is a cool truck. It needs some work, but it might be a fun little truck to own. So I sent the guy a message and I offered him $8,500 for the truck. At that time he said yes. So I drove to Santan Valley, as far as you could get, about 60 miles away, to pick up this truck with a trailer. When I got there, I looked at the truck. I thought, very, very clean truck. So I gave the guy the $8,500 for the truck. Got the truck home, realized it did need work. I had to put a new windshield in it. I had to put new headlights in it. I had to put a starter in it. Had to do some relays. Had to do some engine work and things like that, which was okay. I didn't mind doing it. The first weekend I got the truck, I drove it to San Diego and parked it on the beach. And I've loved the truck ever since. I actually like driving it more than I do my classic car. as far as that goes, it's a wonderful little truck, and I drive it every day as my daily driver. It's got 227,000 miles on it and still going strong. Thanks, everybody.